Hey guys, so we're gonna play with this and try to figure it out. That's why
This
it's all
is gonna
open.
be interesting. That's for sure.
It's been screwed up by a previous owner.
One or more previous owners.
That's true. And so we're gonna
So
do a little
cast motor, 42-inch 6-blade, and
CEC made.
CEC made.
Where's the black?
The blades were painted over white on the other side, and it unfortunately did spill over onto this side a little bit.
Sometimes I don't want everybody to know how the sausage is made. Does Rick even know what that means?
I know exactly what you mean, but I guess I don't think that way. Anyway, oh, it is doing something.
Okay, so this is.
Well, I was more impressed how good we got it, considering what
I know, yeah,
that's what I was getting at. But that looks like what, like a medium?
Yeah. This is what we thought was high when we were bench testing it, so this is why I'm glad that we are testing it with blades.
Yeah. So interestingly, this thing has upward tilted blades a little bit too.
I wonder if that happened to it versus that being.
But they're spot on though. I mean, it's not. They're like perfectly even.
It's wobbling, but I guess that could be because one of them is a little warped. Could also be all the paint. So that's
okay. Well, one way or another,
38 watts.
We got the blades.
Okay, so that's well below the rated current.
That definitely looks medium-ish.
I agree. So let's try. Where's that? Give me that jumper. That That if you can find a better quality one, get me that. But
maybe it's the start if I find a better one here. Oh wait a minute.
So that looks like a meter lead, not a jumper.
Not really. I think that's probably this one.
It's fine. I will live.
Yeah, I would just use this.
Okay. It's unplugged, right? Okay, so we're gonna try. And then I believe that was still with the lamp on, so I guess I should try it without. But it shouldn't make that.
Why don't I go sit by the touch screen? I can shut it.
Okay. Leave the lamp on because we're trying things now. Okay. Just plug it in, hit the high switch. We're gonna with the lamp.
Okay, high switch. Lamp. Oh, yeah, just plug it in.
What are we drawing now?
0.43.
Still plenty low.
What was it rated at? Like
50 watts. It didn't have an amperage.
Let's leave it at watts so that it's easier to.
Okay, we can do that.
It's probably easier to watch. It's at 50 right now.
This seems like high.
Yeah, it does.
And the wattage rating the
about right.
Is correct.
Well, that looks like high to me.
So for this, we would need a pull chain that connects yellow and orange. Okay, he'll pull the plug. It's up to you whether you want to leave the high switch. So then medium would be what we tested before.
Yeah, that was the first. You know what? Let me write this down.
No, I'm gonna remember it.
Well, I guess it's on the fatal.
Yeah, plug it back in. This is medium.
So what is medium?
The medium is connecting yellow to black.
Okay.
Okay, now unplug it.
Okay.
It's unplugged?
Yes.
Okay.
Power?
Yeah.
Still up.
What's it drawn?
1.4 watts. Like 0.08 amps.
Okay. Unplug it. I did the wrong thing. I did it bad.
Okay, it's undone.
Okay. Try now. That's low.
That looks so low.
Okay. Turn the lamp off.
No, that's strange.
Not really. It's that's maybe not low.
Well, why did it start with the lamp on though?
Because the lamp is putting a resistor in series with it.
Oh.
It could just turn it off. Let's try again. It could just be that the bearings are a little
stiff, yeah.
Okay, hit the high switch. let it get up to speed, and let's see if this is low.
Okay.
Because if this is low, then
we got the wiring figured out.
Well, yeah, then we have to figure out what pull chain, because then it would be orange and yellow for high, yellow for medium, and purple for low.
I'm telling you, let's bring up that cross-reference chart I got.
We can.
It literally tells you like the models for.
This seems like it would be a reasonable low for a fan like this.
That looks like low to me.
Okay.
So it's 11.
Pull the plug.
11.4 watts on that one.
I want to try one other thing.
Okay, you're off.
I want to try two other things, but let me think about this for a second. So.
This is a cool fan, not gonna lie. Very cool.
Yeah, no, I've wanted one of these for years. I'll tell the story whenever we actually video the fan.
Yeah.
Which if we can find a pull chain, then we can still do it tonight if you have time. Yeah, it's totally up to you.
Well, let's see if we can find the pull chain first. That's
yeah. So let's see. So.
I'm telling you, let's try it down. I have to remember it.
Lamp back in. Turn the lamp back on, and don't plug it in yet. I'm still changing wires.
Lamp is on.
But I gotta see something here. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna. Capacitor discharge. Make sure the lamp is on because this might be a short.
It is on, and there's nothing plugged in. It's completely.
I know, but I'm gonna have you plug it in once I get this. I think this is shorting across the capacitor. These are the worst alligator clips.
That was literally the only one I saw in there.
There were a ton, but that doesn't mean that there still are. Okay, hit the high, plug it in, make sure the lamp is on though, because this might be a short. What's it drawing?
It is drawing 42 watts.
So this is the same as medium. Oh wait, what did I do wrong? Okay, yeah, undo it.
Okay.
That's not what I meant to do. No, yes it is. That's what I meant to do. So let me see something there. So if
what did you do differently from the other?
I just shorted across the glass. So this should be exactly the same, right? Try that. That should be the same 42 watts.
Yep.
Okay, unplug it. Okay. The one other thing I wanted to do. You sell something? No. Oh, I heard tape.
Yeah, I'm giving something to somebody.
Okay.
You should tell Dan to give me a blender fan.
Do you even know what a blender fan is? Mia? Do you know what a blender fan is?
Do I know what a blender fan is?
Yes.
Yeah, Dan should give me one. You should tell him that. Because he's got
Rick's trying to say that you should you should make me give him a blender fan, but I'm not convinced you know what that is. See, your plan has been foiled.
It's not
okay.
fair.
High switch, or plug it in.
All right, lamp is still on.
Yeah. That's gonna be the 52 watts or whatever it is.
52.
Turn the lamp off.
Went down. No, it's still 52.
Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure we didn't skyrocket
without the lamp on.
Okay.
So that's high. Yeah.
Okay, so great. I feel like
we know what the sequence is, I think.
We know high, we know medium. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a better way to do low. Cut it for a second. I just want to check.
Do you want me to unplug fully?
Yeah, that's what I meant. Because so right now, low is... Lamp back on.
Lamp's on.
Yeah, I was going to suggest you take that on your way.
No, I was definitely going to take it even if I didn't have it
now.
now.
Okay. Lamp on. Try now.
Lamp is already on. Oh, that's delicious.
That is the only fruit punch worth buying. What's it drawing?
42 watts.
Okay, so that's still medium.
That's medium.
Okay.
Right, I'm unplugging. Also, for those watching the video, this is what I'm drinking right now.
Yeah.
It is very good.
Have you never had to drink before?
No, I've not.
Only time, because again, we weren't allowed soda as a kid, so the only time I got that, there was the mini golf course that had the soda there in the snack shop, and they had a soda machine. And sometimes when I would go there with friends, they would let us get a soda out of the soda machine. And I don't know, that was the only place I ever saw a Tahitian treat, and for whatever reason, I was just prompted to get it. I was like, that looks good.
It is good.
It is good.
That was a good choice.
It is good. It is the It is a popular choice of internet memes. There's like a lot of internet memes that circulate between that and Hawaiian Punch, but it's definitely better than Hawaiian Punch.
This has got a little more zing to it.
It
than
does.
Hawaiian Punch, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just trying to think if there's any combination I could be missing. So,
I mean, what you think it's like less efficient to do it the way that because we had a low working for sure.
we had a low working. I'm not positive that's the correct low. Let's try it again. Was that this? No, that's high. What was low? Low was purple but not yellow. So this was our low, I think. But let's okay, go ahead. Yeah, that was our low.
Okay.
And what's it drawing?
11 watts right now.
I mean, it's pretty low current draw for a low. I mean, I would expect low to be like 0.2 and then high to be. But anything faster than that would probably be.
Yeah, 0.2 is correct.
Okay, so I guess this is.
11 watts.
So okay, so I guess so. What we need is a pull chain that for high.
Wait, hold on. Here,
It doesn't. I mean,
just.
So what we need is.
Nobody trusts my methods. Yeah, I know it. Okay,
you have the best methods, Rick.
No, I don't. But
everything you do is fantastic.
Actually, I thought that was Dan, but
it is.
Well,
This mine's empty.
yeah, okay, here's what we're doing. Okay, so what was high?
High would be orange and yellow.
Okay, and what was medium?
Medium is just yellow.
Okay, and what was high? Or I'm sorry, what was low?
Low is just purple.
Okay, so in that case, high. So yellow is used on both high and medium, but in the others, there's still three colors.
Yes.
So therefore, it's going to be a combination of. I'll just number them just for sake of figuring this out. So orange, we'll call that 1. Yellow, we're going to call that 2. And purple, we're going to call that 3. So that means we need a pull chain that goes 1 plus 2, 2, and 3. Which I know I can look that up as to what that is.
Are you looking at this page here?
No.
That's not the page you're talking about?
I have one I like better than that.
Which one's that?
Let me find it first.
Okay.
I can't remember.
For anybody who's watching and listening in, I was on ceilingfanparts.com looking at their pull chain.
That works too, but I actually had
I didn't see anything there.
No, but mine literally says like Zing ear model number goes
Yeah.
with this. Like we can literally just look it up. It's great.
Okay.
Switch cross reference.
The other thing we can
Oh wait, what was it? Ceilingfanswitch.com?
ceilingfanparts.com.
Oh no, okay. Ceilingfanswitch.com is what I'm using. It is really nice. Okay, let me find what I think we need, and I'll report back.
Okay. Oh yeah, I haven't seen this one before. I wonder who the owner is. I wonder
Here
if it's the same.
Okay, well there's one that goes. No, that's gonna be out of order.
You're looking at a 1 plus 2, 3 or something
Yeah,
like that?
that. It tells me that. Yeah, what combination it is. Let me just find the one that matches.
I'm pretty sure it's one of those ones where black did not go to L, and that's why it is confusing.
Probably.
But I'll tell you what we can do.
So that would not be that one. No, that would never work. Okay, because there's another one that... Okay, so category number 3 is... No, because it's got...
Okay.
It can't be all 3 of them in one, though, so that's not
What I would use is a category 2, and then I would just switch the order. And I'm pretty sure there's a way to do that.
Yeah, no, category 2 is the closest one I'm seeing because that gives you high speed shows as L1, medium is L2 and 3, and low speed is L3. Because so see how there's the one speed is a combination, the other two, which is correct, but it's gonna be out of order if we do it that way.
Yeah.
If L, assuming L is whatever goes to these colored wires.
Well, that's the thing is, again, some fans don't, black doesn't go to L.
Right, but I mean whatever's hot, whatever's coming in hot into that is what
is black.
Is it black? Okay, so that would go into L then.
No, I'm saying there's possibilities where it would not, and that's why the switch thing gets so confusing. Is there's some switches where if you put black to a different number, then the combinations sync up.
Well, it doesn't matter if it goes in or out of what, because this is telling you which ones are shorted together per setting. Or
But what I'm saying is, if you make L yellow, for example, then all the combinations change with any given switch.
Oh, we're right, but as long as we know whatever's hot in there, will it need to go into L even if it's not black?
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is the hot wire sometimes goes to a connection other than L.
Okay, yeah, no, you're right, but this particular switch is not like that though. This is telling
It could be.
No, it's not. It tells you black wire in terminal L.
You could. That's what they're saying is if you put the black wire to terminal L, then this is what the connections end up being.
Right, which is correct, except one is out of order.
Right, but what I'm saying is if you put black to a different number, then it might be in the right order on that switch or a different switch.
Possible. That I don't know.
Well, the only way to do it would be to test it, unless somebody knows that. But I mean, if you pull a switch out of the switch bin, we can test it on the meter and see. Conversely, if you really wanted to do a test rig video of this, we could just make it single speed,
hot wire
to high, and do a test rig video, and then it would again be the rest of it is a project for another time.
Let me take a look at the pull chain bin and see if we can find something.
Pull chain bin, yeah. Well, give me the. I don't know. It's one.
It's over here somewhere. Where do you need?
The meter. Once you find the pull chains, because then I will test them on the meter. And it's gonna be both leads. Because some pull chains will work in positions other than L1, 2, 3.
Okay, no, I know what you're saying. I just was going by what the website was listing, which tells you.
Ooh, it is late. You have stayed here past your bedtime.
Yeah, I have to wrap it up here. There we go.
Just grab a couple of pull chains that have 4 wires attached. Just grab a handful.
Okay, this one does match that. This one matches the one that I thought would be most likely to work.
Interesting. This one's never been used before, so that is interesting. So I'm going to pretend. Oh, this one's got the right colors too. That's interesting.
That's what I was saying. I think that's the.
So yellow and this one black connect. So I'm going to make yellow L. So if I make yellow L.
That's an option, but I don't think that would be it.
Actually, I should. Do me a favor and give me that stupid thing, the thing that I hate, the alligator clip.
This one is also an option.
Okay. Don't just look at the numbers though, because again there might be some others that work.
What did you want?
Alligator clip. No, it's sitting on the ladder. Sitting on the ladder.
There's one here too.
Okay, well good. Okay. So first we're gonna see if this is just an L123. So right now we have black as L.
I'm just pulling all the 4 wire ones out.
Yeah, that's the.
That's what I was first of all doing.
So this one is just a normal L123.
Interesting.
Yeah, the numbers, they use the same numbers for a lot of different stuff. You can't go by the numbers. You have 2 pull chains with the same set of numbers that are all different.
Okay, here's a couple more you can try.
Yeah, so this one I can,
Okay,
well,
that one's out then.
yeah, that's not going to work.
Okay.
See, the only problem with these is they don't have the leads. See if you can find some that have the leads. It's going to be a lot easier to test.
You can just stick them in there.
I mean,
We got limited selection with how many 4 wire ones.
are you sure? There should be a ton in there.
Well, I mean, it's hard to tell. There's a lot of light kit ones. What I'm saying.
Yeah,
And also there's also a ton without leads too.
yeah, that's...
Here's an SMC one, I think, but it's a chance. I don't know. It's got parts off of something else with it, but you could test it. Maybe. No.
Yeah.
That's a 4 wire one. You could test that, but you have to strip them.
You sure this is SMC?
No, I'm not. There was definitely an SMC one in here. I saw that. That's not it.
Yeah, SMCs are usually 3 wire, not 4. Not always, but usually.
I saw because it had a flip.
Okay, so let's try this one first. Where's the
There's a. There's one. That's an option. I'm seeing some 4 wire, but a lot of them don't have leads.
Yeah, it'll just be a lot more time consuming to have to take the leads. This one almost seems like it doesn't work. I'm very confused. I've never known a pull chain to just flat out not work. It looks brand new.
This is the SMC one I was thinking of because it's also a 4. This has got that thing.
Well, it's only a 3 wire, right?
No,
that's 4.
That's very common. A lot of my SMCs use these. The later ones do.
Yeah, unless I'm missing something. This one doesn't work, which is weird. I've never seen a. And this is a brand new. I mean, it's never the wire's never been connected to anything, but it does not appear to work. Well, we can only steal the leads off of this, so let's keep this handy.
Right on.
Okay. Let me try this. This one first.
There's another one. It's clear it came out with something, but say it's got 4, but it's a big bulky one. So if there's no leads on it, does that disqualify it automatically then? Or?
I mean, depends how much time you want to spend. I think if there's no leads on it, I think it's going to be more time consuming than we would want for tonight.
Oh, here's a looking one. That's an old one. Yeah, that's an option.
This is a weird looking one.
That's what I mean. It's strange. That might be a possibility.
We'll give it a try. Wonder what it came out of.
Hopefully a Ritz.
To be clear, I don't actually know that this is a Ritz. That's just what I assumed from the vent holes.
Yeah. It's clearly CEC, but that's the only thing.
Yeah, that one we know for sure it's CEC.
That's for sure.
This one might be a winner.
That old that
The weird square one, yeah. Okay, so in position 1.
There's another funky one.
Oh, see, in this one, L was red. Let me start over. So L. 1. So 1. So. Maybe not. This one connects all 3 together. That's not going to do us any good.
That's not. Yeah.
But that's just in that position. So let's try. That's with the line going to red. Let's put the line on yellow. Well, no, because it's still going to connect. No matter what, if it connects all 3 together, it's going to connect all 3 together in one position. So this one's not going to work.
Oh, that's a weird looking one too.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This is definitely something I pulled.
Do you want me to harvest this one? Try to get that ready to test.
Is there any reason to keep it together, I guess?
No, because this is a hack job already. I mean, not really.
You're the SMC guy, so if that rest of that's not useful,
Not really.
then yeah.
That about did that in.
What? Well, I can't see it.
That's snipped like that's not gonna be useful.
I wonder, was that a light lead or what was that?
I don't know. No, the light was blue usually. That was a speed wire, I think. Well, maybe it was a light wire. I don't know. But yeah, no, that's about cashed, I think. I wouldn't feel bad about snipping this one.
Okay, well, go ahead. Just try, save anything worth saving.
Yeah, I'm gonna put everything back.
Don't cut them that close to the pull chain either.
No, I know, like that.
No, I would cut it pretty close to the reverse switch
Well,
because you don't need long reverse switch leads, but you need long pull chain leads. Purple.
This one come all around. Well, we'll throw that back in there if you want to save the reverse switch. We can test.
Yeah, I have more reverse switches than I do. This one's just L123. So this will be useful for other things, but not for this. If that didn't go to anything of note, then we can try clipping that one. I'm so weirded out that one pull chain didn't work at all. Like, I've never seen a new out-of-the-box pull chain.
Maybe that's why. Maybe it was a freebie. Because they thought something was wrong with it.
Maybe.
Okay. Here, try that one.
Okay. I don't even know what happened to it. I put it over here somewhere. Now I don't see
Do
it.
you want me to harvest this one too? I mean, there's not much to really save here either, I don't think.
No, I would cut those at the module because we're not going to use that module connector.
This is off of a Gulf Coast, I think. Is
Interesting.
Because I just installed them, I had this exact same plug.
Could be anything Halsey made then, I'm guessing.
Anything Halsey.
Okay, the SMC L right now goes to 1 and 3.
Okay.
Then it goes to 2. Then it goes to 1 and 3 again. What sense does that make? Then 2 and 3. Okay, so let's try 3 as the line. It goes to L and 1. That's off. Okay, let's try. So the first speed would be L and 1. Second speed would be nope. Okay, let's try. That's off.
Did you
First
you test
speed.
this one already? This was a no.
That's the one that doesn't work.
Oh, so he's tossed that out then?
No, I'm very confused.
I'll put
Confused
it
that it
in
doesn't
so I
work.
can play with it.
But also, I also wanted to like at least use the leads off that to test one of these other ones that doesn't have leads. I thought that'd be an easy way to do that.
You just yank them out, or is there a special?
No, you use a paper clip or a chicken wire or a really small. Yeah, if you yank it out, you'll break something. That's probably not.
Actually, I think that would work. Why not?
Off. Speed 1 is red and black. Speed 2 is just red. This might work. Speed 3. No, red and black again. What kind of... This is not a useful pull chain.
So wait, it's the same setting on more than one?
Yeah. No matter how you wire it, positions 1 and 3 are the same. What sense does that make?
Oh, it doesn't.
There's off, high, red, black, medium. Just red, that would work.
Just red.
Low, red, black, oh, and blue. So wait. Yeah, no, this won't work. I think maybe this blue wire is a bad connection. Let me test it with blue as the line again and just make sure, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is not gonna work. We tried this one already?
No, that's one I just stripped. That's ready for you.
Let's try that one.
Almost got these out.
So, black is L, gray. I think this is just gonna be L1, 2, 3. Nope. That was gray, right? What am I missing? Oh, meter powered off. No wonder. I was like, I'm not getting anything.
Well, that'll do it. Yeah. Okay, this one I got leads on.
Yeah, this is just L1, 2, 3 with different colors.
Okay, so
That's not gonna
alright,
work.
That
This is one of the ones we haven't tested?
I just got leads on that one.
Where'd you get the black from?
I just removed them from. Oh, I stripped it off this thing, which is already missing
Oh,
parts.
cool.
This is now scrap.
And it had, yeah, just throw it in the garbage then.
Well, I'm saving in case you want any more jumper leads for that.
Okay,
one.
but so this one doesn't have a tinned end, the black that you put in there?
No, but I got it to fit. No, it's good enough for.
You see my face?
I've done that all. I do that all the time. I mean,
Yeah, it's just, it's not, it's
not
it
ideal,
works
but-
until it doesn't.
You got to have a problem with that. But anyway, I just.
Just FYI, for future reference, the most common color code is gray, I think purple brown. I have to look at another one of these, but gray is always 1.
Okay, I just.
You just put them in whatever
I just-
order, which is fine. I'm just letting you know for future
Okay,
reference.
good. No, that's good to know.
Gray's always 1, and then I can't remember if brown is 2 or purple is 2, but there's one around here you can look at. Oh, black is in 1. So let me try it with let's start with black. Let's start with purple. That's L. So L, 1, 2. It would be 2 or gray. Nothing? I think one of your leads is not making good contact. Either that is.
They're all tinned except for the black one, I think. So
Did I lose a jump? No.
you still want the video rolling?
It can't. I mean, what's the harm?
Nothing.
I mean, I thought on turning it around this so they could see this process, but there's.
Do you want me to put that with
Nah,
that?
leave it here in case we need to use it.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, either one of your connections is not good or this pull chain is not good because I suppose it could have been. Yeah, how long have these been sitting? It could be oxidized.
Could be.
I mean, some of these I've probably had since the 90s just sitting in a bin. I guess I should have checked that with that other one that was like new.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, because I mean.
That's weird that it wouldn't. Well, I mean, yeah, that's a nice crisp one. I'm surprised by that.
Yeah, crispness doesn't.
Well, I mean, it clearly hasn't been used, so it's either.
Yeah, sometimes if stuff sits and hasn't been used, it oxidizes. So let's see here.
Oh man, that was
1.
close. Whew. Almost.
Which one's 2? 2. Yeah, this was just oxidized.
Is it just 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
Have we had any remotely close or?
No, all the ones we've had that had more than 1, 2, 3 had a lot more than 1, 2, 3.
So
They had they all had some combination that had all 3 out at the same time, which is not.
Yeah, no, that won't do us.
Gonna play. Yeah, I think the screwdriver is too big and you're gonna break plastic. Well,
Do you want me to take these leads back out?
yeah, because we can use them for something else because they're not in. Okay, for sure you can.
This is how I got them in.
Well, you don't need a screwdriver to get
No,
them
I
in.
mean this is
They
how I
just-
got them out of the other one. Exactly like this.
Okay. My
Okay, maybe not. Yeah, this one might be smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't.
My suggestion would be if you really want to see this before you go, let's just put the switch cap. Let's wire it to high. Let's put the switch cap on
let's
and
just do it. Yeah, let's just do
You
that.
wanna do that?
Yeah, at this point, yeah.
Okay,
I gotta
well,
go
let me
down.
wire it, and then I'll have you put the switch cap on. And just because we
Yeah.
know what the pull chain needs to do at this point, we got that figured
Here,
out.
yeah, save this because here's your cheat sheet.
I believe these are the switch cap screws, and I'm going to give them to you.
Yeah, looks like it. All right, I'm gonna cut power.
Cut the power. Let me.
It's unplugged.
Okay. This is gonna be interesting because this one I might need another lead. I definitely needed one of those gray wire nuts. Is there no? No, this one over here. Never mind.
Thought there was.
Let's see if I can. Wonder why they cut this wire so short.
I don't know. That's really weird. Maybe they thought they didn't need it.
But then still, why would you cut it?
I did.
Okay. Okay. Well, you go ahead and put the switch cap on, and then we'll do the video, and then you can go on your merry way.
Donde está the switch?
Didn't I just give it to you? No, it's right here.
Yeah, the screws.
Donde está la biblioteca?
Where's the library?
It's from Community. You don't know that?
No.
That's the Spanish rap. It's just them making up, using phrases that anybody who's taken Spanish 1 would know. I would play it, but the camera's still rolling and I'll get a copyright strike.
The other day, noticed there was a copyright strike on one of my videos. It was a test video of a clock radio, and I was playing the radio for more than 30 seconds, and it counted that.
I don't believe that 30 seconds makes a difference.
Yeah, it does.
It does?
Yeah, because technically you can argue it's fair use if it's under 30. Over 30, no way.
I'm pretty sure I've been dinged for under 30.
Okay, the only ones I did were clearly way more than that. But I would. That's not a reliable theory, but I've yet to have a problem with any that were really short-lived like that.
Alexa, it's time to film.
Okay.
I'm trying to remember what the next line is. Donde está la biblioteca? My name is Me llamo T-Bone something something discoteca.
The discotheque?
Yeah.
That's not Alexa. It's time to film.
This might answer your question.
Stop.
It's time
Alexa,
by Imagine
stop.
Dragon.
Alexa, it's time to film.
Okay.
Those didn't want to turn off.
Oh,
there it goes.
sometimes it takes a while.